I mean, coming from a famous family, there can be very good things and very bad things. I'd say, at the end of the day, you have to be good at what you do for it to work. Like, for people to like it, you have to make fans or to get played on the radio, you need to make a good song. It doesn't just happen because you're related to somebody. Maybe they'll give you a shot, but if you don't have the goods, you're not gonna make it. I think there's sometimes more harm to come from a big famous family because people have expectations and they judge you right away without even knowing what you're doing. They go, oh, he's the son of whatever, or the cousin, or... I think, you know, coming from a family like my family, you know, there can be people who are more interested in it because they know the background and they're curious, or there can be people that don't really care because they're kind of rebelling against something that's already famous. For me, I've never used my family to get work or to like get ahead. For me, it's like, and I think everyone in my family, everyone's trying to prove themselves, you know, like, because you come from this family, there's more of a need to prove yourself in your own way. And I think that's also pushes people to be better, you know. I think, for example, and it's just an example, like the Beatles, you had two of the best songwriters, like, in one band. So each person was trying to outdo the other and write a better song and write a better song. So having that competition can push you to be a better artist. And in the 60s, there were so many great artists, like the Beach Boys, and they were all competing to write the best music. So when the quality is very high, it kind of maybe creates more better quality products. And like today, when quality is very low, you know, it's hard because everything kind of maybe sucks a little bit. But so I think within the family, because there's all these different talented, interesting, smart people, I think it maybe motivates everybody to be better and work harder. So.